Crypto Perpetual Futures, putting on a trade. So when you get an alert from the xBratAI app, you will get a push notification, but also you'll get this information on the main dashboard where all red lights are active, trades active. You've got a stop price where you're going to put the stop loss. I'm going to look at that in a minute, and your max leverage. And obviously this is Doge, so this is the example we're going to look at with Doge. So the thing to do then is go and open your app, and this is BitGet, but most of these perpetual futures trading platforms look pretty much the same. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we've got Doge Perp there, and then we have, again, going back to those previous lessons about the type of leverage, I've gone for an isolated 10x leverage because that was my max leverage on the app. I'm going for a market order, and then the cost is 50%. So cost is your margin. So I'm using 50% of my account balance to put that trade on. We want to tick take profit stop loss. We're just going to put the stop loss on, and that is on the dashboard and the push notification 0.20153. And obviously we're going to go for a short, so it gives you your liquidation price just above the short button there of 0.21004. Remember, our stop is at 0.20153, so it's a long way away, so we're protecting it with the stop. This next bit here is once we've put the order on and pressed that button open short, we can actually look at the chart as well. And that's what this looks like here. The little chart opens up below. On there you will have your short order, that's where you went into the short. This is where your stop loss is currently located, and obviously this confirms your Doge Perp short 10x isolated USDC. Then we have the unrealized P&L at that time, so this is a profit at that particular point of $167 and change. This is your position size, 28,950. That's very important when we go to adjust stops and things like that. And this is your current return on this particular trade, 30.86%. And this is the estimated liquidation price that we talked about a little early on the previous slide. So then when we get a push notification that says stop price is updated, you need to go on and update that stop price. Basically, we're locking in profit at that point. So the thing to do here is go to the orders tab. We want to make sure we've got the full quantity, 28,950, and we're going to click modify. So then we get the panel open. Again, Doge Perp 10x close short. So this is our current trade. We want to close short if it hits our new price. So we've got the new price printed on the push notification. We're going to adjust that to that new price. We're going to make sure we've got that full quantity, 28,950, and hit confirm. That will adjust your stop. Then that will keep happening until such time as the stock gets taken out to take profit, and you will get a push notification to say short ended, stop price reached, closing now. Then you just go back to your app and make sure that that trade is closed. It should trade close automatically with that stop, but just go and check that there. So this is a very simple example on Crypto Perpetual Futures on putting on a short trade right from when we're getting that push notification to go short on the app, working through that process on a phone. And we're going to do lots more of these educational videos just to help you out putting the trades on Crypto Perpetual Futures.